So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and at first, I thought it was just another one of those weird diet fads. But then I started doing some digging, and what I found really got me thinking. You see, I've been spending a small fortune on fancy supplements, trying to get my digestive system in check, but it turns out that the gelatin trick might be all I need. It's basically just about incorporating gelatin into your daily routine, and it's amazing how something so simple can be so effective. I mean, think about it. People are shelling out big bucks for expensive supplements that promise the world. But the gelatin trick is just about using something you can find in most grocery stores. My friend started doing the gelatin trick a few months ago, and she swears by it, saying it's helped her wake up without that sluggish feeling. The gelatin trick is all about finding a natural balance, and it's really interesting to learn about how it works. If you're curious to learn more about the gelatin trick and how to make it a part of your daily life, check out the link in my description below for a detailed rundown, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some additional tips on getting started with the gelatin trick. You can start feeling the benefits of the gelatin trick for yourself, and it's definitely worth a try.